start with the next one. They want a SOC intern. Hinjewadi phase 1 is the place freshers rotational shift. BSc, BCA, BE, MBA, MCA is the position. 3 month of unpaid internship you need to do, and after that 3 months of paid internship will be given. Post internship you might get a full-time job as well. So freshers guys, this is for you, because from here you'll learn as well you'll get some more good opportunity, right? So I strongly recommend freshers to apply for this job role because this is for you. And this is next one is for like certifications in SOC and all those things. CEH is mandatory, so I guess most of you have, and there are a couple of required skills, right? So this is a mail ID, Jyotsana J at future is means technologies.com, right? Now next one is VAPT consultant, global hiring, Dubai based job, 30 days of notice period, 3 to 8 years of experience. This is what you will see. What they are hiring for, the bed rate, finestdirect.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. You need to perform the VAPT and find all those things. Next one is they're hiring for cybersecurity professionals. Okay, it's a Bangalore based job. So they want you to go on their place on 29 or 30. So there will be a walk-in interview, which is in this is the location. Okay, 29 or 30 April is the date on which you can go at the location for a walk-in interview, and timing is 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. 1 to 5 years of experience is required, right? So there are a couple of things. Just learn all those things because probably the question will be asked within all those things. And yes, you need to visit. And this is a company website, eci.com, right? Next one is KPMG is hiring freshers, guys. This is for you. 1 years to 3 years of experience is required, right? Cybersecurity analyst or associate consultant, Mumbai, Noida, Gurugram, or Bangalore based job, right? So they are the location on which you need to work, right? Key responsibilities are all these things that you can see. You need to manage JetScale, Netscope solution, conduct assessment, and all those things. Requirement is 1 to 3 years of experience required, hands on JetScaler. Why URLs? Because you'll be working on cutting edge on all those things, right? So mail ID is reserve s@kpmg.com, right? Apply accordingly. Next one is web application testing and mobile application testing, API, all those things, right? Mumbai based job role, Pune, Gurgaon is the location, and OWASP, API, all those things will be required. So it's a kind of application security role in the ESEC 40. Guys, they're hiring for a lot of positions, 2 to 4 years of experience required, 30 days of notice period. And this is the mail ID, nidhi.bakshi@esec40.com. So they are hiring for a lot of positions. So just if you're fresher, you can drop your resume, check if you get hired or not. Anyway, next one is application security analyst. Indus Face is the basically company name. Mumbai and Vadodara is the location where they are operating, and experience is around 2 to 5 years of experience is required. Role, you need to do cloud pen testing, right? And yes, VAPT, you need to perform threat intelligence, developer scanning, firewall on the basic knowledge. Ideal candidate should be degree from MBA, sorry MCA, MBA MBA में कौन सा सिक्योरिटी होता है भाई? MBA में सिक्योरिटी एक्सपीरियंस, बी skilled in white, black, gray box testing, holds CH or OSCP or equivalent, a strong grasp of OWASP standard, jobs at indusface.com. Just someone make it clear, MBA in cybersecurity. So I wants to know. Next one is opening at VAPT, opening as a VAPT consultant in Pune. Sasang.dvd@softteenager.com is the mail ID on which you need to apply. VAPT or ethical hacking is the proven skill that's required. 2 to 5 years of experience is required. You need to conduct deep vulnerability assessment, penetration testing work, mobile application pentest, API, cloud infrastructure, Nessus, Burpsuit, Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, Nikto, was Javis knowledge compulsory. MITRE attack was top 10, all those things. CHOSCP, GPAN or GWAPT. CSSP is important, right? Where's the mail? Yes, this email is asang.trivedi@softenergies.com from where you can apply, right? Yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Now, if you have any questions, please ask.